This is a Moen Align one-hole kitchen faucet, and I'm going to show you how to improve the performance on this by removing the flow restrictor. It's very easy, anyone can do it. All we'll need is a crescent wrench, tweezers or a hemostat like this. You might need a pick and a spoon or just something to shove in here when we pull this down so it doesn't retract all the way. Put a towel in the sink because there's a little O-ring that's going to fall out and you don't want it to fall down the drain. So first thing, I'll go ahead and pull this down, and as you can see there's a flat side here and here, and that's where you'll put the crescent wrench, or if you're strong you can probably just hold it and turn it. We're going to turn this way counterclockwise. I'll go ahead and use the crescent wrench. If you have serrations on your crescent wrench and you're worried about scratching these surfaces, then you might want to put a paper towel in there or something, but it shouldn't be too tight. So there, it's already loose. And now you want to make sure you have that towel down, because as soon as you pull this wand off, there's an O-ring that's going to fall out. Watch, because it already happened to me when I did this. Yep, see that O-ring right there? Alright, so I'm going to put the wand to the side for a second. I'm going to grab that O-ring, put it to the side. Don't let go of this, because if you do, it'll retract. You can still get it out. It's not going to go all the way up, but it's just easier if you put something in there. Like I'm just going to put this spoon in there, and now it won't be able to retract all the way. We can just leave it like that. Now over here, when you get yours, when you first open yours, this will probably be all filled up with sediment. There were like tiny little rocks in there. Now we have very hard water and we're on a well here, so that's part of the reason why that would happen. But you can just grab this and pull it out. Actually, the pick would probably work better. I'll just go in here and grab it, pull it out just like that. So you'll want to replace this. You don't want to run the faucet without this, because this is going to prevent those little bits of stuff from getting in there. So just clean this out. Use the pick to poke any of the little rocks through, backwash it. So that would be put it under another faucet so that the water's streaming this way. Okay, and save that O-ring there. And then this is the real purpose of this video. Oh yeah, see that little O-ring that moved? That's okay. We're going to take this whole green thing out. So don't worry about that O-ring. If it falls out, if it stays in, it doesn't matter. I'll just take it out so it's not in our way. Now I'm just going to go in with these here. You might use tweezers. You might have another solution, but you probably can't really tell from the video, but this part in the center is a little bit higher. If I can get that to focus, I'm just going to grab it. Pull straight up. That's it. That's the flow restrictor. Now we're going to have much more water going through, which is going to increase our performance. So mine's already clean, this little thing. If yours isn't, make sure you get yours nice and clean. Just going to put that right back on there. And then this O-ring, let me put that down for a second. Going back over here, you can see it's kind of got this, because of this nice swivel. That's one of the best things about this faucet, is it's got this swivel head. It has kind of a specialized O-ring in there. So I'm just going to put this back in there like that, and maybe push it down, maybe push it down a little with these. And as long as I don't have a leak here, it won't be a problem. That's probably okay. Alright, now I'm just going to grab the head here. Get this to focus for you. Screw this back on. Okay, I'll go ahead, like I said, if you're strong you can do it by hand. I'll go ahead and just tighten it up just a little bit with the crescent wrench. If it leaks, that's how you would know. Don't go crazy, because as you saw, that's going into plastic. So now we're all set. We can put that up. I'll go ahead and take the towel out. Make sure there isn't anything in there. And now look at our water flow. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's much better. If you have this faucet, you know what I mean when I say this is a big improvement. This isn't exactly known sprayer, but it's a huge improvement if you just take out that little piece of plastic, little flow restrictor. So I hope this video was helpful for you on your Moen or whatever other faucet that might have a similar kind of deal as this. Thank you for watching and good luck with your repair.